Instant choice, making quick decisions in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, instant choice. This is a phrase you might encounter in everyday conversations, in literature, or in various media. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it effectively in your English communications. The phrase, instant choice, refers to making a decision quickly, without taking much time to think or consider alternatives. It's often used in situations where someone needs to make a decision on the spot, or when there's no time for deliberation. The word, instant, highlights the speed and immediacy of the decision-making process. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. In a game show, a contestant might have to make an instant choice about which prize to choose. When faced with an emergency, a person might need to make an instant choice to ensure safety. During a sale, a shopper might make an instant choice to buy an item before it's sold out. These examples illustrate how the phrase can be applied in various real-life scenarios. Making an instant choice often implies that there's no time for thorough analysis or consultation. It can be exciting, but also risky, as it doesn't allow much room for considering potential consequences. It's important to understand that this phrase often carries a sense of urgency and spontaneity. This phrase can be used in both formal and informal settings, but the tone might change depending on the context. In a business meeting, making an instant choice might be seen as being decisive. In casual conversation, it could imply being carefree or impulsive. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, instant choice, and how it can be used in English. Remember, while making quick decisions can be necessary at times, it's also important to weigh the risks and benefits. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language.